Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Upstox to TradingView in 2026. In order to do so, first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com. Once you are here on the home page of TradingView, you just have to click on the option of products. Then it is going to launch any of the charts in front of you. The chart actually doesn't matter, but you can also click on the watch list icon on the top right hand corner, and from the list you can select any of the charts that you want to analyze. So here on this particular page, simply click on the option of trading panel in the bottom left hand corner. Now it is going to show you the list of the trusted brokers. So I wanted to click on the option of show all brokers so that it could show you the list of all of the brokers which can be easily connected with TradingView. Now as we want to connect Upstox account with TradingView, you need to either look for the Upstox icon here in this particular list, or you can use the search bar on the top right hand corner. Then you can simply type Upstox. As you can see, after typing Upstox, it is not showing over here. It simply means that you can't actually connect Upstox directly with TradingView. In this situation, I want you to come here on upstox.com, then click on the option of sign in on the top right hand corner. Afterwards, you need to provide your login credentials associated with your Upstox account, and you need to log in into your Upstox account first. Then you just have to start analyzing the charts here in TradingView. After applying your technical skills here, when you are able to find the trade and when you want to punch the order, you can come here inside Upstox panel. Then you can place the orders from here. So this way you can use Upstox and TradingView together. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.